In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free stickers in Monopoly. Go! Let's jump right in and make sure you follow each step carefully to get those awesome rewards. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Google app on your device and open it. Make sure you have a good internet connection to ensure a smooth process. Once you've got Google open, go ahead and type in 0f4pu.com into the search bar. This website is going to be key in helping you unlock those free stickers for Monopoly Go, so be sure to type it in correctly. Once you found OfferPew in your search results, click on it to open the home page. You'll notice a few navigational options, and what you're going to want to do next is click on the three horizontal lines you see at the top of the page. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you should select Game Rewards. This is your pathway to accessing all sorts of in-game goodies, and you won't want to miss it. Scroll through the available posts and keep an eye out for one that specifically mentions Monopoly Go free dice rolls. Once you find it, click to open the post. This is where things start getting exciting, so stay with me. After opening the post, you'll find an option titled How to Get Free Rolls. Go ahead and click on that to get started. Now, you'll need to scroll a bit further down until you see a button that says Click Here. Once you spot this, click on it. This action will lead you to a new page where you need to enter your game username. Type in your username accurately to ensure the roll rewards are credited to your account. Once your username is entered, look for an option to select 9,999 rolls. Check this option, as this is how many rolls you will earn through this process. Next, click on the Generate button. This will initiate the generation process for your new free rolls. You might have to wait a moment while verification takes place, so be patient. Verification is just a step to ensure everything is legit and aligned with your account. Once the verification process is complete, any final prompts will be shown, and you'll want to finish the verification by following whatever the system asks you to do. Now for the best part, after all these steps are followed correctly, you will receive your 9,999 rolls in Monopoly Go. So there you have it. You're all set to enjoy your game with tons of free rolls and dive into the fun adventures Monopoly Go has to offer. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming.